everybody, welcome back to the lab and thank you for joining me today. I'm just having a little look outside and it's actually snowing here. So what's the weather like where you are? Right, today we are going to be learning to write the letter C. So grab yourself a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. I'll see you in a moment. In this video, we're practicing writing the letter C in cursive writing. What does cursive mean? It just means joined up. So even though we're not joining the C to any other letters in today's lesson, we're going to put on those extra flicks and curls so that when your child starts to join up the writing, then it will make it much easier. If your child doesn't learn cursive writing at school and they just do print writing, which is not joined up, then head over to my other video and I've got a version of it where we write the C in print writing. So what we're going to do now is learn to write C in a multisensory way. If you're not quite sure what this sheet is and what it's all about, check out my introduction to multisensory learning video and I explain it a little bit more in depth. This video is more of a follow along video for you to work through with your child. Right, let's have a go. So first of all, we trace it. Then we copy it. Cover it up, no peeking. Finally, pop your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. Oh, well, that's not too bad, is it? I'm quite impressed with that one. I'm going to move the page up a little bit because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have a go at writing C on the lines. Now C is a middle zone letter, which means that it sits halfway between the bottom and the top line. I've got this area shaded on my template and that just shows where the middle zone is. If you'd like a copy of this template, then see the link in the description. If you don't want to use this template, then just get some paper or a whiteboard that has quite wide lines on it, and that will make it easier when your child tries to write. So, with all cursive writing, we start with our pen or pencil on the line. When we're writing C, we go up and round, and then back down again, and do it again. We're going to have a go at doing a whole line of these. When your child gets a little bit better at writing these and more confident in it, get them to have a go at saying the letter sound and the letter name. K is C. K is C. K is C. And then, when they've finished, get them to have a look and see which one they think looks the best. So when I look at mine, I think that this one is the best. So I'm going to tick it and get them to give it a tick. Thanks for joining me today, and do drop any questions that you have in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to follow more of my handwriting lessons and dyslexia lessons, then please subscribe. I'll see you again very soon.